In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a booklet in Canva. Whether you're putting together a portfolio, a guide, or a small program, this walkthrough will help you move from a blank canvas to a polished, print-ready booklet with confidence. First, head to Canva and use the search bar to look up booklet. This pulls up a curated set of templates designed specifically for multi-page layouts. You'll see a variety of styles and purposes, so take a moment to browse. Click into a few options to preview the page count and layout variety. Don't worry if it's not perfect right away, you can change every detail later. Pick a template that matches the tone you're aiming for, whether that's clean and modern, bold and creative, or elegant and minimal. Now, let's customize your pages. Start with text. Double-click any text box to type your content, and use the toolbar at the top to adjust fonts, sizes, and styling. For readability, aim for a clear hierarchy, a strong heading, a slightly smaller subheading, and body text that's comfortable to read. Limiting yourself to 2 or 3 complementary fonts will help your booklet feel cohesive. Next, add your images. You can upload your own photos in the Upload section, or drag in high-quality images from Canva's library. Once placed, you can crop, resize, and reposition as needed. If your template includes frames, drop your images into those for instant clean edges. Try to keep a consistent image style. Similar lighting and color tones go a long way in making your booklet feel professional. Move on to colors and elements. Use the color picker to match your brand or create a simple palette with one primary color and a couple of supporting accents. From the Elements tab, add shapes, icons, or lines to organize content, highlight key points, or separate sections. Keep contrast in mind so text remains legible against backgrounds. As your content grows, manage your pages from the panel on the side. Click Add Page to create a new page, or duplicate an existing one to preserve formatting and spacing. You can drag pages to reorder them and delete any you don't need. Before exporting, review and refine. Scan through for consistency in fonts, colors, and spacing, and ensure your cover has a clear focal point and hierarchy. Check margins, alignment, and overall flow. A quick proofread now saves time later. When you're ready to print, click Share, then Download, and select PDF Print. This produces a high-quality file suitable for professional printing. Give it one last look, then you're set. Thanks for watching.